Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, love to find the deals, sales, stuff I need, viral stuff, all that. So if you like shopping, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos and all that. So today's video is going to be a weekly Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be all the Dollar Trees I go to this week. So yeah, it's just going to be a mashup, and I hope I find some good stuff because I'm sick of seeing the same old stuff, and the price increase just don't even get me started. So this is from one store. I did not get a lot, but still. So first thing I got are these. These are Prepra Hooksters. Swiveling hook will ensure your items are always where you want them. So you get 2 of these. And I guess you can like hang these wherever, and they hold your stuff. Like there's an example of it right there. So for $1.25, yeah, and I got 2 sets of these because for $1.25 this is fantastic. So we got those. Then my local store finally got the little sanitizer with the clips. So of course I got a green Squishmallow, purple Squishmallow with the little keychain, and pink Squishmallow with the green keychain, pink Barbie, red Spidey, yellow Crayola, and blue Crayola. So yeah, and these are all, my aunt has like a whole party she's going to, and she's putting these in her little party basket. So, but yeah, so cute. But that is all I got yesterday from Dollar Tree. Day 2, I definitely scored, so I'm pretty excited. So first off, I got some more of these extended size socks, but these ones are like with a black heel, and they're just gray, white, and black. Again, these fit so good, so $1.25. And then, again, $1.25. Got these ones, because they're black, but they have like purple, blue, and pink, so socks are always essential, so. Then, random, but I needed some removable hooks, and I love these small ones, so we got that. Then, I did get the green Crayola with the little keychain, because, yeah, I think it's so cute, so got her. Then, I got some crafting stuff. So, I got the diamond painting keychain, and it's like a little fox, so I got her. Then, I'm obsessed with this one. The little keychain, a friggin' sloth. Like, are you kidding me? And the reason I got these is because I got one in my last haul and I made it. And this is the result, and I'm obsessed. So, I got more because it's fun. Then, I got more coasters. Got this one. This one. This one. And this one. And then I made this one. This was my last haul, but now I made it. It took like an hour and a half, but it was so worth it. Like, it is so cute. So, highly recommend. Then, I did get, actually, I'm going to show this last. Got some beauty. So, this is the Yes To Grapefruit. I rebought this because I've been using it every day, and my skin feels so great. So, this is the grapefruit, moisturizer, so got her again because I'm obsessed. Then we got the tinted lip oil in Plump Berry by Ioni. Super cute. I'm actually gonna put some on right now, to be honest. So I remember seeing like Sweet Honey and stuff, but I don't remember this one. So put her on because I am going out today. So okay, very juicy, definitely. Oh yeah, I'm a fan. Oh yeah, and it's so like moisturizing. So that was Plump Berry. Oh, got it a little. Okay. Then I got the essentially ageless Be Pure blurring face powder. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. So got her. Then I did find the Monday Smooth and Wheat Protein for Curly and Frizzy Hair shampoo. I needed shampoo anyway, so I was like, you know what, why not get this mini one and the Monday brand, so we got her. Then I got this tie-dye, one-step tie-dye rainbow jumbo size kit, and this was $1.25. Now, last time I got this a couple years ago for $1.25, and I posted on TikTok and here, and nobody believed me it was $1.25. So I'm gonna actually scan it on the Dollar Tree app and put it in this video to show it's really $1.25. So yeah. Alright, we're finishing off this haul. It's Sunday, finishing our weekend haul. I went to 2 Dollar Trees today because I had a grocery shop. And yeah, I got a couple things. So I did get another pack of the Invincibobble hair ties. I just got the set of black ones. Then I buy the Yes2 brand. This is the Watermelon Daily Gel Moisturizer, and I got the grapefruit and loved it, so I want to try the watermelon one. So we got the watermelon to try that. Then they had the blue little Spidey on a keychain. So I got this for a friend. Got that. Then this is an oldie, but I love this one. It is the Shea Butter lipstick in After Party, and it has the glitter on it, and I love this one, so we got her. Then I got another one of the dark brown brow defining pen. I love these, so we got her. Then, I haven't seen this in forever, but it's the Kylie Jenner lip dupe, and it is in Red Rebel, and I haven't seen this in forever, so I wanted to snag it again. And yeah, you get the lip liner and the matte lipstick, straight dupe. Then, the lip palette by Profusion. Yes, please. So this is the lip kit, and it does have a mirror up here, but I'm covering it, so I'm not blinding you guys. But these are the colors. I'll insert a picture of the colors. So that is the Profusion lip palette in Plum. Okay, next up, I got the Dermacell Oatmeal Milk Toner, Oatmeal and Snow Mushroom. Yeah, that is pretty interesting. I think you have to shake it. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to try this tonight because I'm interested. I've seen it all over TikTok. So it's the oatmeal with snow mushroom. So we'll see. Then I did get the lip oil in Pink Doll. I know this is from the Dollhouse collection, but I never remember seeing Pink Doll. So I got her, and I love the tinted lip. Then my 2 favorites from the Glow Getter. What are these called? The pomegranate and grapefruit. Love these. And then the green apple, another fave. Then I did get another pack of these because these are going up to $1.50 next week. So yeah, bad sign whenever we see that. So I got this now before it raises the price. Then the last thing I got today is this little notebook that says write it down, and I just love this. Like, I love the matte green. So yeah, and I'm a note taker with everything. So yeah. But that sums up today's haul, and that sums up this video because I did a weekend little haul, and not a long video, but it's what I found at like 4 different Dollar Trees this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys did hunt for, what I should have hunt for. Subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.